would like to say Camilo about the Valgro because he is customer since last couple of years.
Yes.
So I would like to say, what is your feelings about Valgro machines?
Okay.
Copper polishing.
Yes. So we do we use this. We have two of these machines. One in this Toluca facility and another one in Monterrey facility. We use them to polish aluminum and copper bus bars, and we are since 2 years, about 2 years, and we liked it very much. It's very easy to use, very easy to understand for the maintenance people. The problems that we have been very easy to resolve, easy and quick to solve, and the machine is very efficient. And we've been able, what we did, we sent Valgro the requirements, and they were able to custom make this for our requirements. And now that we've been able to use it, we've learned different requirements, and we're about to make an order for another machine with different characteristics. So we are we're pleased and happy for the machine. It's very efficient, and we like it's automatic, and it has worked for us. No, we do a lot of electroplating, and we prepare the parts before plating them. So as a mechanical cleaning or mechanical preparation.
Thank you, Camilo, to help the Valgro. We are definitely work with your requirement and customer requirement. We are basically solution provider company, so we understand the customer challenges, and based on challenges, we make the machines, and not only machines, we make the process also. So customer can easily install the machine and easily start. And I think this machine we export during the Corona time.
Yeah.
And Corona time, entire world is closed, so people are in and out. And on Corona time, we install this machine on video conferencing.
Yes.
So that's why Camilo says that this is the user-friendly machines.
Exactly.
So thank you, Camilo, and really I appreciate your feedback.